Hey guys, it's Friday, February 4th, 2022. We just had our second big snowstorm in a week here in New Brunswick. I'm out checking out my trail cams. I can't really see much on this one because the heavy snow has the limbs all around it all weighed down. So I thought I'd show you guys exactly how much snow we've gotten here in the last week. Isn't this incredible? I made it into a more enclosed part of the trail here, so there's not as much snow, so I'm going to sit here and take a little break before I head back. Just wanted to show you guys exactly how much snow we've gotten. It's pretty wild. Thanks so much for watching. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon.